Hey, this is Dave, and I'm with my brother Rich and son Caleb. Today we're putting in new windows in a very old house, and it's not too difficult to process. What we're doing is we're going to show you how to install a new construction window, and that's different from a replacement window. We'll show you the steps. We're starting with basically right behind that is a window opening, and so the house is wrapped first. All right, so Caleb is cutting a H pattern in the house wrap, one slice across the top, one at the bottom, and then down the middle. And there's different ways of doing it, and you can pick the method of your choice.
I mean, this is
All right, so when we do the flash the bottom of the pan, we want to go up 4 inches or so. Over here. Okay. Try to make sure we get a good overhang on this. That is pretty close right there. Yeah, we're using 6-inch tape on the bottom here. And then we'll have 4-inch tape on the sides. Okay, now we got patch the corners. All right, now the sides. This window is flashed and ready to go. And then we put the window in, and then we'll tape the top and sides again. This is so we can fold this, cut it at a diagonal, fold it up. Got a piece of tape for me? I can help fold this flap up. And we'll keep this out of the way. And now we can go ahead and put the sealant on. Here's Caleb adding a bead of caulk on the exterior face, the sides, and the head of the window. So it's just one extra measure to keep water out. want to get the level. Yep.
It's like layer upon layer.
Right, not too difficult. The house is wrapped first, and then we go to flash it. There's tape for the bottom or the pan of the window, and then also on the sides. And then we apply sealant and set the window in. If you wanted a nice, good waterproof seal, that's the way to do it. Hope this video helps. Thanks a lot for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. We've got lots more videos coming. See you next time.